What is this app Rex? Find and track places been. Travel map with friends. So this interesting social app, it's just being built by former Twitter developers. It was just released on the iPhone, and a lot of users already put in some really great reviews that it's actually replaced Yelp on the phone. It's kind of, yeah, like Yelp, but in more social app, more kind of Snapchat. It's not like Zenly or social mapping with friends, but the idea is that you can have like different playlists for different cities around the world. Like people visit and recommend some nice spots during travel, and they just can recommend it to you, like some places to visit, places to eat. And this app feels kind of like TikTok or Instagram. So yeah, for example, I just go and I can see what I can do in Rome. So here there are all these Rexes, these playlists like best street food, what's gelato lovers, what's pasta and pizza, best tiramisu. So all of yeah, like best places to eat, for example, or that's just like a playlist created by some tourist or some user. Then you can just go to the app here, and then you can see in the area, you can search for a place or the person, or yeah, like what you can visit in the area near you. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can create your own playlist. You can tap on the plus icon in the bottom right to add your own place. You can invite friends. So yeah, tap to invite friends. You can scan my QR code, and then there are some settings. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So it's kind of Yelp, but looks like Instagram, where you can see lists of different places to visit. There aren't that many users yet on this app, but it feels nice. If it gets a lot of users, it's it feels very easy to use, very visual. So definitely can be fun to use.